yo, yo, welcome to the show.
Yo YouTube, what is good? It's a Sunday morning for me, but I'm probably not gonna upload this until later today. But it's a Sunday regardless, which means we talk about what I'm gonna be buying inside the Robinhood taxable account. And if you're into that, if you want to know why I buy stocks, based on my just what I want to buy, based on ex dividend dates, I might be really down in a position or just feel like it's a position I want to add to for the long run. If you're interested in that, it's June 30. We're going to talk about that today. And it's kind of a weird week because there is, you know, the holiday, and it aligns with my usual Tuesday Thursday buys. So because July 4th is a Thursday, gonna be buying only on Tuesday this week. The amount doesn't change though. $170 is what will go inside the Robinhood taxable account, and right now the portfolio is sitting at $15,379. So with the deposit, that's gonna be around what 14, about around 15,450, 550. Wow, around $15,550. Like a baseline for next week. Let's see where we end up next week, same place, same time. Um, Anyways, the $170 all into Tuesday, like I said. It's kind of weird doing this because I mean it's like I'm shopping with twice as much money. But it's it's funny. I was talking to a friend, and it's the idea came up of for this the expression penny wise pound foolish. It's kind of applicable here because usually I'm buying with half of this, right? So like $85 I will have on a Tuesday. I go shopping like what stocks, what ETFs will I be buying? But now it's like I'm shopping with twice the amount. Am I gonna do something foolish like buy some penny stocks or use half of it and just do options? Like the idea is just to stay consistent from having built those good habits when your pool was small. You're handling like baby tasks, baby, small amounts of money really, because it's finance at the end of the day. That's what we're talking about. um but yeah, now with $170 on Tuesday, that obviously means that nothing will be done on Thursday. The markets will be closed. Like, well, I might look at my account, probably not, but yeah. So let's go into what we're gonna be buying. All on July 2nd, like I said. First, gonna be July. General Mills with an ex dividend date of July 10th, ticker symbol GIS, and adding one whole share of this stock. And why? Because we're down in the position, and not crazy. I just realized that we're down like 2%. I thought we always traded like positive. We were always positive in that position, but I guess it's having a pullback. So it is a stock I've always wanted to buy more of. Why? Because it is General Mills, like such a diverse company in terms of what they offer. Great dividends, of course. That's something I always look out for, and they do pay in one of those like not March, June, September, December months. So I like that about them. So solid company. I mean, I use their product personally, and like I said, so diverse. It has a huge number of like brands under their umbrella. So a whole share is a lot to add, but it's also only like $64, I think, for a share of General Mills. So nothing crazy. Like I said, shopping with more money than usual. So I think instead of kind of diluting how much I buy, I kind of just I was more focused, I guess. Let's see what you guys think. McDonald's is my next buy though, not based on an ex div day. Just McDonald's were down in the position. Adding point one of a share, and we added some last week as well. So now with this addition of 1/10 of another share, well, another 1/10 of a share, we'll make our way to one full share of Mackie D's, and that's nice. It's something I definitely. I am I'm a consumer, so investing in the back end is also nice. McDonald's pays a dividend. Nothing like crazy. It's respectable. I think it's in the 2% yields or something like that. I don't know. I should know these values, but I don't. But adding getting to a full share of McDonald's, I think, is a nice milestone to be at. In my opinion, on July 2nd again, we're adding some more Stag. Stag is a monthly payer. Good. Good. So far, I think we're down, but I see good potential with this investment here. I think just REITs overall are beaten down. And of course, you've heard this before. We're just waiting for interest rates to stabilize, and of course, over time, like these should pick back up. At the moment, the dividends definitely kind of cushion what might be happen, what is happening, and yeah, just keeping consistent with my ads. Main is next. They have an X div on July 8th, and adding quarter of a share, kind of the same idea like with Stag, but we're up. I think we're very up in Main. I don't know why we're up like 8-9%, but 5.25 of a share, we'll take it. Next on our list is Visa XDiv July 10. Visa, I'm happy to see that Visa is where it's at, and I'm very happy to buy. Always happy to buy, but Visa was so expensive, and I think it's finally starting to maybe come down a little bit. I think I'm either down in a position or just around break even. And adding 0.15 of a share is not a whole lot on paper, but Visa is also pretty expensive. So that 0.15 of a share is, I don't know, it's like $40 or something. So not too bad. But that's gonna take us to 1.5 full shares of Visa. I remember just not too long ago we got to one full share, and now we're at 1.5 shares. Growth, I like that. I believe the last on our list is Smith and Wesson Brands and XDiv July 11. This is one I guess it's a speculative play. Like, why do I even own this stock? Like, not necessarily a consumer or possibly even a fan, but so far so good in terms of what the stock has been doing. Good dividends and good stock price appreciation. I am buying more because I am up 9% in the position, 9-10%, but I'm guessing it had a pretty big pullback in the last few days, weeks, maybe months, because I know I was up about 30%, and now, being up 10% is still way up. It's still a great opportunity to sell, yes, but it's kind of like buying the dip almost. Let's say Smith and Wesson is just having a dip, and I want to buy that. In either case, speculative play, not a whole lot invested. Adding one full share here, about $15, I think, taking us to 12 shares in total. And I believe that is the last of our buys for this week. All on July 2nd, like I said, nothing on the 4th. It will be a holiday. The markets will be closed. So that gives us a grand total spend, or expected total spend, of $166.68. And we have a little bit left over, about $8 or so from our initial contribution. So yeah, definitely we'll be using that towards recurring buys, or whatever. It will stay inside my portfolio. So that's what's important. I think that's the end of it. I just have a quick question here. Just what are y'all doing for the 4th? Nothing related to investing here. Just it's a chill week for me. Might not even be working the full week, but let's see. So just curious to know what you guys are doing for the 4th. Honestly, it might just be a stay-at-home day and week and weekend for me. Let's see how it goes. I live in a pretty nice area, so stay at home can mean just stay in the area and just do something cool, something outdoorsy, whatever. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how the weather is, and yeah, let me know what y'all are doing. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe. If you've made it this far, you probably should just subscribe. But I'll see you guys in the next one, which will probably be maybe tomorrow. Jeez, tomorrow or Tuesday. I'll talk about my dividends received in June. Pretty nice dividends, received. If you want to see that, subscribe and you'll see that drop. Second largest payment ever. Like, cool stuff, right? See you guys next time. Peace.